Hi, welcome to the Quantum Guru. My name is Brajesh Kumar Chaudhary, and in this video I'm going to discuss question number 1.59 of IRADO. So this question states, an aerostat of mass m starts coming down with a constant acceleration w. Determine the ballast mass to be done for the aerostat to reach the upward acceleration of the same magnitude. The air drag is to be neglected. So suppose this is some aerostat. It has a mass m and I want to make a free body diagram. Its weight is mg and it is coming down, so there is a buoyant force of air acting on it. So buoyant force is Fb, and that is because of the volume. If the volume is more, so there will be more buoyant force, and it is coming down with acceleration w. So equation of motion for this aerostat is mg minus Fp is equal to m into w. And now what happens? We have dumped some mass, say we have dumped the delta m mass here. So the delta m mass is dumped. The remaining mass is m minus delta m. Now its weight has become m minus delta m into g, and buoyant force is because of the volume is not changed, only the total mass of the body is some mass of the body from the inside is dumped out. So buoyant force will still be there, and the mass is thrown by such amount that now this body has got acceleration w in the upward direction. So what we can write equation of motion now, net force is equal to mass times acceleration. So now the net force is Fb minus m minus delta m. G is equal to m minus delta m into acceleration. So that is first equation, this is second equation, and just add these two equations. If we add these two equations, Fb will get cancelled. So mg and minus mg will get cancelled. From here I will get delta mg, and from this side 2m omega minus delta m omega. So from here we will get delta 2m minus delta m omega. So let me do remaining calculation here. So delta m g is equal to 2m omega minus delta m omega. So I can take all delta omega, delta m on that side. So what we will get, delta m multiplied by g plus omega, and that would become from this side 2m omega. So delta m is equal to 2m omega, or say w, whatever you want to say, divide by g plus w. So this is the mass that we have to dump so that aerostat gets the same acceleration in the upward direction. Thank you.